Hey guys, Ben Simpson here and welcome to another unboxing. As you can tell by the title of this video, we have a very special product to unbox here on my channel, something that may aid in the future of both Simpson Vlogs and Simpson Plays. That's why it's appearing on both of them. So if you are over on Simpson Plays, you are on the wrong place. You can watch the rest of the video, but it's going to be shorter than it is going to be on Simpson Vlogs, which is linked down in the description, so head on over there for the full video. If you are here on Simpson Vlogs where you are supposed to be, welcome! Sit back, go snack, go drink, kick your feet up, either way, whether you're on either one. But more importantly, have fun. Like, comment, subscribe down below, hit the bell notification to keep up to everything going on either channel. If you want to check out the other channel that you're not on, that's linked down below like I just said. Beyond that, of course, we've got TikTok, Instagram, Rizzle and Twitter linked down in the description for your lovely faces to enjoy. So, like I explained in the previous video a few weeks back now, I needed a laptop, I needed a PC, I needed to split the productivity, okay? That's what I've done. So, you guys wait one moment with your lovely faces and I'm going to go grab the big box. And we're back, guys, and yeah, it's a big box. Oh, let me just make sure not to... And this is also video evidence that if anything is broken in here, it wasn't me. As you can see, all sealed up, not even opened a tiny bit of it. So that bump at the bottom there, that wasn't me. It's a big laptop. It's a 15.6 I think inch laptop. So let's try and open it with the instruments I have. Pop it here on the floor where you guys can't see in case I do cut myself or something. I doubt it. I don't like to alright guys, here we are, we've got it open. So as customary in a Simpson, what the hell? There you go. Just throw the junk around the room. Let's get the charger out first. What have we got? Made in China? Yes it was. That's what you told me it was. Big plug. We'll throw it somewhere. I'm interested in how big the brick is. Oh my. Have you seen the size of this thing? It's huge. It's thin though. I'll give it that. It's thin. But it's huge. And it's a big one and big ugly plugs as well. No. Might have to buy a separate USB-C one for this, you know. Ah. Damn. I was hoping, against all hope, that it would be a USB-C, but it's not, clearly. Oh, it's a heavy big boy. Right. Here it is. Just carefully, very carefully put that down. Check the box for any warranty and stuff, because, yeah. So, this is the Dell G15 511. Alright. Can't see anything else in the box. Oh, sorry for you headphone users, that's a horrible screech. But there's nothing else inside the box. So, it really was just the laptop that was in there. But what we're waiting for then, let us see how she looks. Oh, look at that. Look at that finish. That's nice. That's nice. I think anyway. See, big fan ducts on the back. Huge fan outlet at the actual back of it. So underneath, you got the fan ducts here, and here at the back, more fan ducts. We've also got a lot of ports. What ports do we got? So we do have USB-C, so you can do USB-C charging and transferring. That's powered, it says. I think this is a USB-A 3.1 port, and you've got a HDMI port, and of course the power adapter that came standard with it. So HDMI, power, USB-A and USB-C. On the sides we have Dell's signature open flip Ethernet, along with a headphone jack, and I'm not sure what that little... That's just the power, I think that's just the power on light. On the side we have 2 more USB-A ports. So it's a decent number of ports. You got what? 1, 2, 3 standard ports. Yeah, 3 standard ports. You got a USB-C port that you could hook up to, say, one of Dell's hubs, which are very useful. We use them at work. So let's compare the laptop size to my other Dell. Well, I say mine, but it's the one I use for work. So this is the Dell Latitude 3410. So let's compare the size. Oh wow, that's a big difference. Now I'm going to carefully lift these up because if I drop one, I'm going to cry either way. Yeah, that's the difference. Look at that. It's ridiculous in comparison. I thought this one was big enough. It's a really big laptop, this the G series. Will it even fit in my bag? I don't know. Actually, it's bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's a good test actually. Will it fit in this bag? Ooh. Oh, I think it just about fits. I don't know, will it zip though? Okay, I've pulled the things out the side. Creeping up the corners. It just about fits in this bag. And it's you can see the bump out on the ends. I'm gonna need a bigger bag. Wow. Right, let's get it back out of here carefully. Ooh. Out we go. There we go, out we go. Looks alright. Let's get that back out of there. To be honest, look at for its size, it's not actually that heavy. In my actual opinion, from what I can feel from it, per pound, this is heavier than this. So that's good. It's not too heavy. Right then, let's turn to the side and bring you guys down a bit and open it up. So it comes with this to protect the screen, of course. And yeah, so it is a thermal, got thermal cooling. It's got, I think it does have Alienware's Alien Hub on it to, change the settings. Pretty decent keyboard with a decent travel. You're gonna click it, and it's got a nice, satisfying click as you're clicking. I can hold it with one hand, like I said. It's not too heavy. I can hold it with one hand. Obviously, it's gaming. It has, I believe, I put the NVIDIA GTX. GTX. What am I saying? NVIDIA GeForce RTX 360 in it, and it has the i7 11700H, I think, is what's in it. And it's a full HD 165 Hz display. It's nice. I like the hinge finish as well. I like the way the hinge opens up on the backs right at the end. I actually do like that signature of Dell's Alienware group and the G series. I do like it. Yeah, it was a pretty sweet deal as well. So I do like what I'm seeing. So first impressions are that this is good. Forget to tell you. It's got the nice little camera right there at the top as well. It's going to be as good as any other web camera on a laptop. Like I said, you don't want to record with the webcam. That's why I've got the Logitech cam. That's the stream cam. I'm an idiot. That's going to be shit in comparison to what I've got now. So yeah, it looks really nice. Obviously, now I'm not stupid. I know as soon as I fire this up, I'm going to hear fans, everything's going to be going off. But I really do like it. It's pretty lightweight, like I said. I'm really surprised about how lightweight it is for its size and what it is. Cause I'm thinking they just give me an empty product. Well, you'll soon know in the second video. So guys, yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this little unboxing. Should I turn it on? Should we turn it on and see if it's got any power in it? Oh. Backlights came on. Something's happening. Oh. Oh, the Dell symbol comes on. There we go. That's even better thumbnail. Yeah, we like this one, don't we? Yeah, so we're booting it up. Now you're going to get to see how fast it boots from being dead out of a box. Seriously, how long do you reckon, guys? Comment down below how long you reckon. Oh, just a moment. Oh, that was quick. I remember when I booted up my the Surface for the first time, and no, the Surface was pretty fast actually. It was a Lenovo gaming PC I've got over there that was not fast. I say gaming, it can game. It wasn't designed specifically for gaming, in my opinion. Mistake I made. Oh, the trackpad is really smooth and responsive. And how does it feel to click with it? It's nice just to actually click it. Can I tap with it? Oh god, Cortana.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
I hope you guys do not.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way.
Well, this is a good speaker test.
Need to stay quiet. Just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an
sounds pretty nice.
Press
Nice.
the Windows,
I like that.
Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Alright, sure, Cortana. That was nice. That was a good, nice test for the speakers, actually. I like the speakers. Yes, I am in the United Kingdom. That was nice. So I'm going to continue the setup in my own time. I'm going to leave you guys with this being the final part that you see. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit the bell notification to keep up to date with everything going on this channel, whichever channel you are on. And if you want to keep up with the other channel, that's linked down in the description, no matter which channel you're on. It's strange when I do one video for two channels. It's always weird. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed. Of course, if you didn't, as always, round it back and try again. Like, comment, subscribe, like I said before, and check out the links that are Rizzle, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter for lovely faces to enjoy. That's it from me, guys. Peace.